In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export leads from Lusha. We'll walk through turning your saved contacts in Lusha into a clean CSV file you can open in a spreadsheet or upload to your CRM. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your Lusha account and that you have permission to export data. Also, remember to handle any personal information responsibly and follow your company's data policies. Start on the Lusha dashboard. This is your home base for prospecting and saved data. From the left-hand navigation, open the area that lists everything you've captured by clicking All Contacts. This view brings together the people you've saved so far, which is exactly what we want to export. If your list is long, don't worry, you're about to export everything in one go. At the top of this workspace, look for the CRM section. Click CRM to move into the export workflow. Inside this area, choose Contacts. That tells Lusha you're working with individual people, not companies or other records. You'll also see a Platform section. Think of platform as the destination context for your export. Even if you ultimately want a file, this section helps Lusha format the data correctly. A quick glance here ensures you're aligned with how you plan to use the export. Now it's time to run the export. Click Export to CRM to open the export options. In the export window, choose CSV. CSV is a universal file format that works with tools like Excel, Google Sheets, and most CRM import wizards. Selecting CSV ensures you get a file you can review, clean up if needed, and easily share with your team. With CSV selected, click Get the File. Lusha will prepare your export, which may take a moment depending on how many contacts you have. When it's ready, the file will download to your computer or appear in your browser's downloads tray. If you don't see it immediately, check your downloads folder. Once the file is saved, open it to confirm the columns look right. Names, titles, company details, emails, phone numbers, and any other fields you rely on. Keep the header row intact if you plan to import into a CRM, since many systems use those headers for mapping. If you're collaborating, store the file in your team's shared workspace and set the right access controls. That's it. You navigated to all contacts, entered the CRM area, confirmed contacts and platform, chose export to CRM, selected CSV, and clicked Get the File. You now have a ready-to-use export of your Lusha leads.